Here is how to change the DNS server on Windows 11 laptop or desktop. Changing your DNS on your Windows 11 is simple and easy. Before you want to change your public DNS for your Wi-Fi, you need to know the DNS server. So you can open your browsers on your computer. Now type public Google DNS. Google DNS is the most powerful and reliable. Now copy the DNS from here. After that, click Search, type Control Panel, click Network and Internet, click Network and Sharing Center. Now click here from here. It can be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Click Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4. Now come over here. Click Use the following DNS server address. Now enter your DNS server address from here. Now you can paste the copied DNS or 8.8.8.8. Now click on. There you go. That's how you can change your DNS server on your Windows 11 laptop. Now still, if you have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.